Hey everybody, this is Donald, and this video is a test on my Nikon P500 and my newest addition, the Nikon D3200 for video use. Stay tuned. Alrighty everybody, I just wanted to do a kind of a side-by-side comparison between my P500 and the D3200 for videos and see what my options are. Try and do a side-by-side comparison and see which one is actually better for my videos. We'll put them to the test. I don't have no lab coat. This is my humble opinion. This is just how I'm gonna do it. The video will show the results themselves. So without a lab coat, a thermostat, a stethoscope, or what other kind of lab technologies that are out there. This is just me testing real world between the two that I have. So let me get off my Eken H9, which is a great sports action camera. Been a great little camera. I love it. And yeah, we'll kind of see. So between the three, you're looking at it now, my Eken H9 little sports camera. So let's see how all three of them compare. Alrighty, stay tuned and let me get this kind of set up, swapping cameras. Alrighty everybody, this is the Nikon P500, pretty much the same lighting. I know we got some clouds rolling in and out, but they're pretty much consistent. All my lighting's the same way, using the onboard microphone. This could be also a good check for the microphone, seeing how my voice recorder failed on me, and I think that microphone kind of blows out the voice as well. May look to upgrade that, but for now this is the P500 video microphone test, and it is Friday the 13th, 2018, hot July. So kind of looking around. What do we got? Yeah, always stay hydrated. So testing a good clip of this video. And yeah, let's get them switched over to the next one. Stay tuned. Alright everybody, this is the Nikon D3200 comparison test to the Nikon P500. I am shooting with the 18 to 55 millimeter kit lens with the boom microphone, and supposed to be the One Step Better video card, the SD card, if that makes any difference. And we're on automatic settings, the best of my knowledge. Still getting used to it, and haven't really done much video with this certain camera, but this is going to be the comparison. And yeah, so basically the same lighting. I probably got a touch more cloud over, so when I switch to cameras, but hopefully with my lighting here it's not that effective. And yeah, so this is my new camera, and testing out microphone and video for my YouTube. Hot time in Florida, let me tell you. Stay hydrated. And yeah, so that should be a long enough test, so hopefully I can put them up side by side. And what else do I need to tell you? Yeah, everything's set to auto. I do have this one set at 24 instead of the 36 this go around. It's supposed to be a little better setting, I guess, for movies. I don't know. We'll see. Alrighty. Let me switch back to the Eken H9 and finish out this video. Be right back. Hi everybody. There's my little head-to-head kind of video competition between the Nikon P500 and my Nikon D3200. So naturally I got 3 SD cards I gotta put this video together with. The things we do for our video, guys. Hard work out here on the streets for sure, getting these videos together for you. So them likes, subscribes, we definitely appreciate it. Definitely. Share it with your friends. Have them like and subscribe and share it with their friends. That's what it's all about. Putting the knowledge out here for you guys, entertaining. And this is just my humble opinion on these two cameras. We'll see how they do in the editing room. So I really can't tell you right off the bat what's going to happen with them. You'll see the results yourself, and you decide and leave a comment down below which camera won. The Eken H9 sports camera, the Nikon P500, or the Nikon D3200 with a boom microphone. And you can rate the audio quality as well. So alrighty, I appreciate your views, your comments, and any suggestions always. We'll see you in the next video. And stay focused, everybody.